guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is a quick bread recipe and the flavor is lemon and dill. My husband bought this a bunch of fresh dill, which I was thinking maybe to make something Hungarian, but I ended up with the following quick bread. Again, this is lemon and dill quick bread. It is so good as is, warm, room temperature. Even the next day it's great. You can toast it as well. You can spread melted butter or butter and it will melt obviously if you toast it, and also fresh honey. It's so good and so simple. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Nice texture. So take one lemon and then we're gonna grate the skin and set aside, and then we're gonna squeeze out the juice and place it into a bowl and add in 1 cup of milk and let it stand for a bit until it's curdled. So this is about 2 1/4 cup of enriched flours with bazillion fresh dills, but the one that's already dried, the more the merrier. So it's up to you how many you want. 2 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon, it's up to you. We're just gonna mix it. Also add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're also gonna add about 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. So you want the salt to be there when you bite it because it's savory bread. Just mix it. And add in your lemon zest to your curdled milk. Beat in 2 eggs. You can use whisk or just fork. You can also use electric mixer if you want. Now squeeze 1 more fresh lemon right away into the bowl with the curdled milk and egg. Now we're gonna add, so if you have this container which is 30 milliliter, you want to use half of it, and again just mix it with your fork or whisk until completely combined, and then we're gonna pour this mixture onto our dry mixture and we're gonna mix it until just combine. And then we're gonna pour the batter onto our baking pan. You want to spray the baking pan with cooking oil first, or you can grease it with butter. So it's like this that I'm using pan. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit preheated for 15 minutes at least. Take out pan from the oven and then cool it on cooling rack. You can toast it, you can spread with your chutney or butter, whatever you like.